How to enable chat hits on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, make sure your Messenger is in the latest version. If you want to check for updates, go to Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on search. Now click on the search bar and search for Messenger. Now install the up- now install the update. Now update your application if available. Now go back to your home screen and open up Messenger. Tap on three lines and go to settings. Now scroll down. Now enable the toggle for chat heads. Now tap on go to settings. Now find Messenger. Now enable the toggle and go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.